Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple living table just like this guy over here. To show you exactly how to make it from scratch, I'm going to show you how to animate it like I did here with my other one. It's how I animated him. Yeah, basically just everything. So to start, you're going to, well, of course, you're going to need Blockbench, which means none of that blockbench.net. Very simple. It's completely free. And then to create a cube, you just click that and it automatically creates one. And you can use, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to first move it over this, which is the first leg, over to its first position. And I'm just going to duplicate it, move all the way across, make sure it's the exact same distance from each side. And you're going to copy both of these, duplicate those, move them over. That's perfect. And then you're just going to select each of these and you can rename them if you want. So I'm going to say front FR for front right. And then this is BR for back right. Then this is back L for back left. And FL for front left. And we're going to select all of these. We're going to hit S. And I'm going to just set it to be 10 pixels high. So then it looks like this. And remember, you need the side with this north sim, this N here is the north, and you want to make sure that's the side that's going to have your face. If you're going to put a face on it, I'm going to show you how to do one later though. And then after that, you need to create another one, another cube, and you're going to have to resize it so it's